Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is sublimation, critical point, and eutectic mixtures. First, you will discuss about sublimation. Sublimation is defined as a process of conversion of a solid state of matter into gaseous state without formation of a liquid state. In this process, directly convert a solid into vapors without formation of a liquid state. In this process, some amount of energy in the means of heat absorbed from the environment, it will converted into vapors. The reverse process of sublimation is also called as deposition or desublimation. In this process, heat energy can be released into environment. Observing the above diagram, you will differentiate between sublimation and desublimation. Next one, types of sublimation. Sublimation process is divided into two types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 sublimation process involves, in this process, solid is directly converted into gas without formation of a liquid state. Type 2 sublimation involves solid is first converted into liquid, then it will converted into gases. Next, example of sublimation agents: camphor, menthol, thymol and naphthalene. These are the sublimating agents. Next one, observing the principles of sublimation critical point, you will by observing the graph. Plot a graph in between. Temperature in degrees centigrade is taken on x-axis, pressure in atmosphere is taken on y-axis. You will obtain the sublimation critical point diagram. In this matter, state is exist in three states. Matter is exist in three states: solid, liquid and vapor point. The point at which three states are exist, that is called as triple point. Next one, while observing the three phases, three curves AO, BO and CO. Plot a graph in between temperature versus pressure. First, we will discuss about individually. The curve AO, to the left side of the AO curve, substance can be exist as a solid in state. To the right side of the AO curve, substance can be existing as a liquid state. Along with AO curve, substance can exist as both in form solid and liquid state. Next, coming to BO curve, substance above the BO curve, substance can be existing as liquid state. Below the BO curve, substance can be exist as a vapor in state. Along with the BO curve, substance can be existing as liquid and vapor state. Next, third curve is CO curve. CO curve is above the CO curve, substance is existing as a solid state. To the right side of the CO curve, substance is existing as vapor in state. Along with CO curve, substance is existing as solid and vapor state. The point at which three states are coincide, that is called as triple point. This is the principle involved in sublimation critical point. Sublimation critical point is defined as the temperature at which substance is directly converted into vapor, that is called as sublimation critical point. Next one, eutectic mixtures. When two or more than two low melting point substances are combined together, due to decreasing in their melting point, they are directly converted into liquid forms. They are called as eutectic mixtures. It is a word derived from Greek. Eutectic means easily melting. This type of mixtures are defined as two or more components which usually do not interact to form a new chemical compound, but which at certain ratio or proportions inhibit the crystallization process of another, resulting in a system having lower the melting point than either of the components. In this process, melting point of two components can be decreases below than individual components. That in this process, these type of eutectic reactions are occurs in between active pharmaceutical ingredient with another active pharmaceutical ingredients, or active pharmaceutical ingredient with another excipients present in a formulation. And also this type of interactions are occurs in between excipients and another excipients. Example for excipients are granulating agent, binding agent, flavoring agent, sweetening agent, coloring agent, and these are the some examples of excipients used in the formulation of different types of dosage forms. Next one, example of eutectic compounds: camphor, menthol, thymol, phenol, and salol. While observing the principles of eutectic mixtures, for observation of eutectic compounds, you will plot a graph in between. Temperature is taken on x-axis, composition is taken on x-axis, and temperature is taken on y-axis. You will obtain the to understand the eutectic mixtures compound. At x-axis, point A having 100% of A and 0% of B. At the end of B point, there are having 100% of solid B and 0% of solid A. When further adding of small proportion of B compound, the melting point of substance can be decreases slowly, and the same process can be occurs while adding of solid A to the solid B. Their melting point also can be decreases. The total melting point can be decreased due to lowering the melting point. For example, solid A melting point is Ta and solid B melting point is Tb. When for adding 100 A for solid A, you will adding small proportion of solid B. The melting point of the solid substance solid A can be decreases. It can be observed by using the following down curve. The same point when solid solid B की solid A solution can be added, their melting point also can be decreases. T means eutectic temperature of the mixtures. Below the eutectic temperatures, both substances are present in a solid state. This type of eutectic mixtures can be occurs in only some particular proportion of two components. For example, in this diagram you will observe the two components, aspirin and paracetamol. ASP indicates aspirin, PECM indicates paracetamol. Aspirin melting point is near to 140 degrees centigrade, and melting point of paracetamol is nearly 168 degrees centigrade. When aspirin is added to the paracetamol, the melting point of the aspirin can be slowly decreases. When the same process, when aspirin is added to the paracetamol, the melting point of the substance can be decreases, and they due to decreasing in their melting point, they are converted into eutectic mixtures at nearly 120 degrees centigrade. Due to decreasing their melting point, they are converted into liquids. Next one, observing the salol and thymol graph. At point A contains 100% of salol and point B contains 100% of thymol. You will adding different proportion of salol to the thymol or thymol to the salol. You will observe the decreasing their melting point. The melting point of pure salol is nearly 42 degrees centigrade. At the same time, the melting point of pure thymol is nearly 62 degrees centigrade. You will adding a small proportion of thymol to the solid A solution. Their melting point can be decreases. At the same time, when salol is added to the thymol, the melting point of the Thymol also can be decreases at 13 degree due to decreasing their melting point. Two compounds can be melted at 13 degrees centigrade. In this state, they are in liquid phase. Below the eutectic temperature, both salol and thymol is existing as a solid state. Below the eutectic temperature, two compounds are existing as solid in state. Above the eutectic temperature, the substances are existing as a liquid phase. Applications of eutectic mixture: lidocaine, prolocaine. There are two local anesthetics in the ratio of 1:1 ratio. There are form a eutectic mixtures. There are used in form of topical preparation for local anesthetics. Next one, during the pre-formulation studies, compatibility studies occurs between active pharmaceutical ingredients and excipients. This type of process is important. Testing of eutectic mixture formation can help in physical incompatibility between drug and excipients molecules. Physical incompatibility occurs. This is the one type of reason occurs for physical incompatibilities. Next one, eutectic mixtures are commonly used in designing and delivery process of various types of administration of drugs in various routes of formation. Griseofulvin and succinic acid in the proportion of 55 and 45%, urea and acetaminophen in ratio of 46 and 54%, aspirin and paracetamol in the ratio of 37 to 63. During the pharmaceutical analysis, eutectic mixtures helps in the determination of melting point of the substances. These eutectic mixtures phenomenon is used for enhance the dissolution rate of drugs. Curcumin and nicotinamide in the ratio of 1:2, ibuprofen and thymol in the ratio of 2:3, genistein and PEG 460 also used for enhance the dissolution rate of and also enhance the absorption rate of drugs. Borneol and menthol in the ratio of 1:3 will enhance the dissolution rate and also enhance the bioavailability of drugs. Dispensing of eutectic mixtures: when low melting point substances are combined together to form a liquid form, this type of process can be decreased by adding suitable absorbents like talc, calcium phosphate, lactose or starch. Is sufficient quantity can be added to prevent the formation of a eutectic mixtures. The starch, talc, calcium phosphate, lactose, these are example of absorbents used in formation. There are different types of methods used for dispensing of a eutectic mixtures. First one, by adding suitable inert absorbents like starch, talcose, lactose and to add prevents the formation of a liquid phase. The second step is eutectic compounds are separately dispensed when it is necessary. It can be mixed. Examples of eutectic compounds are menthol, thymol, phenol, salol and camphor. Thank you.